He said this thing weighs over 200 pounds.
Oh yeah,
285 pound subwoofer from Orion. So it said HCCA. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Are you demoing today? This yours, man?
It's one of my team.
Okay. Could you tell me your name, what's in here real quick for the video?
My name is Mario Mayorga.
Okay.
And, we got a 118 XPLX Orion. Okay. I'm the only one I'm playing right now with 18. It's tuned pretty low. It's tuned like 27.
Okay.
Let me play some music for you.
What kind of power on it?
Only, that's a surprise number. We're clamping less than 1600 watts, doing a 150 on 27 hertz.
Nice. That's a low frequency, tuned really low. Wow. Oh, congrats. Very nice score. 150, 28 hertz, 1700 watts. I like it, man. Who built the box and how big is it? Do you know? You did?
Yeah, it's 10 cubic feet.
Okay.
The port is 12 inches.
Okay.
And we tune it really, really low because we love it low.
Yes, sir.
And we get surprised with that number. We are those woofers are 7,500 RMS a piece. We only clamping that low power.
Low power.
So before
okay.
lines today, we're gonna strap 2 amps and see what we can do.
Wow, this subwoofer has 1, 2, 3, 4 right in that location and bolted into it.
It is.
How heavy is that?
285 pounds.
285 pound sub. Holy moly! All right. Yeah, man, I would love to hear it. I appreciate it. All right, ready? I'll keep this one up. What kind of battery and an alternator do you have?
We got a JY Power 80. We got 2 full throw GMs.
Okay.
And 300 amps magnet.
Okay.
We're playing right
really?
now. I'm the only one playing music.
Wow. Your mids and highs are shaking from so much bass.
Because we're in the lanes and they say that we have to hold it because it's out
oh, if you remove it for it being under window line. Okay. Never seen this, so I guess that's probably why the only one. Okay. He said this thing weighs over 200 pounds.
Oh yeah,
285 pound subwoofer from Orion. So it said HCCA, but it's not comparable to your other 18 or your. Wow. SPLX. I think I've seen Tim Johnson have something similar, but he had 15s probably.
Yeah.
Tim had 15s?
Yeah, those are the 18s.
What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. Hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got from Team Orion at the Slamology show of 2022. Be sure to give them a like if you haven't already. This is the largest and heaviest subwoofer I've probably ever seen from Orion. 285 pound subwoofer rated at 7,500 watts RMS with a 4-inch voice coil. So go ahead and comment. Let them know what you think about their system. Insane for a single subwoofer. Of course, you don't get to see the magnet, but it is a 285 pound sub, and they're only running it on a 3,000 watt amplifier. Then later in the show, they added double power to it and seen how much real power it put out, and I'm sure they got some impressive numbers out of it, but a 150 decibel was what they broke on just around 1,700 watts in the 20 hertz range, so I think it was right at 27 hertz. So good job, everybody. We're about to get to the insane subwoofer flex demo. Consider subscribing if you haven't already for daily cardio videos, and enjoy the bass demo. This is crazy.
It's like a mini.
Your mids and highs are shaking from so much
I know,
bass.
because we're in the lanes and they say that we have to pull it because it's out of
Oh, if you remove it for it being under window line. Okay. Wow, I appreciate that demo. I've never seen this, so I guess that's probably why. The only one. Okay. Wow. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.